This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 37YT is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Crevel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, TV, air conditioning, self-contained, stovetop burner, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, LP detector, slide-out, auxiliary battery, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, full wall slide, outdoor entertainment. This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 37YT is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Crevel's RV.